Hey traders, let's look at an analysis on Bitcoin. Here we mark out our point of interest and imbalances, such as the 4-hour bullish fair value gap, 1-hour bullish fair value gap, and the 30-minute bearish fair value gap, and also the point of interest, as seen above. So, right now we can see that on the 15-minute time frame, price has already mitigated the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Okay, as price hit downwards, price always tries to manipulate twice, as you can see from this sell side liquidity sweep. After the sweep, price can do one of two things, right? Even though the 4-hour bullish fair value gap has been broken, it can be used as a liquidity zone to take early buyers out. So price still can head upwards, but it will react off the 1-hour bullish fair value gap to head upwards, right? So probably something like a break of the high, retest before heading upwards to take out the trendline buy side liquidity, right? So you see, we do have this 30-minute bearish order block, right? And also, yeah, we do have to break above these highs for us to continue above, right? This highs. Okay. Otherwise, we will be looking for sells instead, because since the 4-hour bullish fair value gap plays a more importance than the 1-hour bullish fair value gap, and the 4-hour has been broken, that means that price is really bearish. So we will be looking for a change of character to the downside. Okay, so maybe you see, as you can see, right, price reacted off this 30-minute bearish order block, right? Came downwards, giving us a change of character beneath the last swing or internal low, right? So that's exactly what happened, right? So it's either we get a change of character here, or technically this is a break of structure. Another break of structure on the 15-minute time frame. So here we can see a break of structure, right? So we can remove this because it has been reacted off. So, right, okay. Right, so since price didn't break above this high just now, right? The 30-minute, above the 30-minute bearish order block, we will be bearish here in this instance. So we can see that price hit downwards, in turn creating this 30-minute bearish fair value gap, right? And actually price came up and respected it, right? Respected it with a wick, you can see, right? So okay, see, so the low time frame imbalances or point of interest must be respected. Okay, so yeah, I almost took a buy here, right? Almost took a buy because of this change of character on the 5-minute, because we are in the 1-hour bullish fair value gap, right? So I almost took a buy, as seen by this body candle close. But I knew that we have to break above the 30-minute bearish fair value gap in order to be bullish, right? So yeah, and you cannot anyhow assume that the 1-hour bullish fair value gap on the higher time frame, right, even though it's more important than the 30-minute bearish fair value gap, right, it doesn't mean that price will respect the 1-hour more than the 30-minute, right? As you can see here, price respected the 30-minute and disrespected the 1-hour, and price headed downwards. So where could we have looked for an entry, right? On the, okay, let's try and find an entry. See on the 4 hours. Well, I guess there's only the 30 minutes. So you can see price again likes to manipulate twice, right? It's in here. This is another 30-minute bearish fair value gap, right? So after price broke structure to the downside, came up and used this 30-minute bearish fair value gap as a point of manipulation or liquidity to take out early traders. Price came down and came back up again, so it swept buy side liquidity. Okay, so it respected the 30-minute bearish fair value gap, right? So coming down to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that price has mitigated this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. So price is ready to head downwards, right? So when it swept, right, you have to wait for this bullish imbalance to be taken out. Right, so price came down, take out this bullish imbalance, and then came up. So why did it came up? I guess this can be our resistance zone, right? So yeah, I guess it can be a resistance zone. It's in here, right? So price came up to this resistance level, or I guess you can use this inverse fair value gap, right? This inverse fair value gap on the 5-minute. Okay. Or let's go down to even lower time frames, like 3-minute. So I guess you can say it reacted off this 3-minute bearish order block. So once it reacted off this, we can look for buys. Sells. Probably stops above this high. Right. Can target. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. See where we can target. Right, probably here for a 1:4. I see as it stands right now, it will be a 1:7. Alright. Yep. Yep, that would be all. We are on the gold chart right now. And on the high time frame, we can see that price has did a buy side liquidity sweep. Okay, reacting off the daily bearish fair value gap too. So as price hits down, it created a trend line buy side liquidity. Okay, so price came down, and at this area on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that there's a body candle close. However, we can't be certain whether it's a liquidity sweep, right, or a change of character. So if it's a change of, okay, what can we assume? Okay, there is a liquidity sweep or a change of character is because you see, right, if it's a liquidity, you can't assume it's a liquidity sweep, right, simply just due to the creation of a 30-minute bullish fair value gap as in here, right? It can simply just mean that price is pushing upwards to the 30-minute bearish order block here before dumping down, which is exactly what happened, right? So it wasn't a liquidity sweep. In fact, it was a change of character here, right? Anyways, here we can see that we also cannot assume it's a change of character due to a body candle close on the 15-minute time frame, right below the last low. Price can simply just be sweeping liquidity, right? So you wouldn't know. So to look for further confirmations, right, we will be looking for, if it's a change of character, we will be looking for an additional break of structure to the downside. Otherwise, if it's a change of character, we'll be looking to break above this internal high, right, which is resting above the 30-minute bearish order block. Okay, so you see price hit upwards, okay, on the 30-minute time frame. Price hit upwards and respected the 30-minute bullish fair value gap. So let's say it's a liquidity sweep. Okay, looking for buys wouldn't be possible here, wouldn't be that great, right? Probably like this. You see, price only headed upwards till this point, right? Because there's this 30-minute bearish order block in its way, right? So you see, price has to mitigate this 30-minute bearish order block. Okay, which it did. Right here. On the 5-minute with a body candle close. On the 15-minute, it's a wick. But on 5-minute, body candle close. So I'll say it's a change of character. Right, following our plan. It's a change of character. So this would be a liquidity sweep. Okay, then the change of character happened here. So how? We look for a retest. So I saw that there was a I guess, okay, we can remove this 15-minute bullish order block since it's inside the 1 hour bullish order block. Okay, so we can see that on the 15-minute time frame we have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap where we could enter buys from, and that's where I entered my buy, but I got stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. Something like this, I mean way above. Okay, but I got stopped out. Okay, you see here this cluster right, respected the 30-minute bullish fair value gap, right? And price was kind of respecting this for a short period of time, yeah, until it was broken. And guess why it was broken is because there's this higher time frame bullish fair value gap resting below, right? So let's say I looked for confirmations there instead on the 30-minute. Okay, let's say I wait for price to head downwards to the, I guess, 30-minute bullish fair value gap, right? Lowest right here, right? And the highs here. Oops. This also wouldn't work out, right? It also wouldn't work out because you can see price manipulated downwards, right? So I guess the first lesson is, right, look for confirmations, right? We should be aware of imbalances that are on higher time frame, right? Because you see price just completely disregarded and disrespected the 15-minute bullish fair value gap and hit downwards this higher time frame point imbalance, right? So maybe we could have looked for buys here. Okay, maybe we could look for buys, but that didn't happen, right? So that's the first thing, right? The importance of time frame. Second is, I guess, regarding time frame also, right? On the 5-minute, it mitigated it, but on the 15, there was a week. So I guess price just set some buy side liquidity inside the 30-minute bearish order block, right, before heading downwards. Right, but I abided by my rules already, and gold just manipulated. Gold has been very manipulative this month. I have no idea why, right? Right, so you see, it broke. It came down here, right, and still didn't want to go up. Right, so yeah, this was honestly a good trade already, right? Right, looking at confirmations on our 5-minute, right? Cause we use 30-minute bearish order block, right? So looking at the 5-minute is fine, right? Right, so yeah.